welcome back to my channel. Cinco de Mayo is coming up, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make one of the most popular desserts in Mexico, flan. This is a delicious custard caramelly type of dessert that is perfect for your Cinco de Mayo fiesta or any other parties you have coming up. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification button so you're up to date on the newest videos. So let's put on our chef's coats and let's get baking. To make the flan, you'll need 1 cup of sugar, about 2 tablespoons of water, 5 eggs, 14 ounces or 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 12 ounces or 1 can of evaporated milk, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 to 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. To get started, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the sugar and water in a saucepan over low-medium heat until it becomes an amber color. Do not mix the sugar and water, otherwise it will crystallize. Once it becomes an amber color, carefully remove it from the stove and pour the caramel into an 8-inch pan. As soon as it pours, spread the caramel around the bottom and a little bit on the sides of the pan, since the caramel will start to cool down fast. If it gets too hot, use oven mitts. Place the pan to the side while we make the custard. In a large bowl, whisk the eggs together, then add the sweetened condensed milk. Next, add the evaporated milk, heavy cream, vanilla extract, and salt, and mix until all combined. Strain the mixture so it comes out nice and smooth. And pour the flan custard into the cake pan. If you hear any cracking, it's just the sugar cooling. Place the flan into a shallow pan filled with about 1 inch of hot water and let it bake for about 50 minutes to an hour. When taking the flan out of the oven, if it jiggles a little, it's totally normal for it to do so. Let the flan cool for about 30 to 40 minutes. Cover it with some aluminum foil and place it in the fridge overnight. When it's time to plate the flan, use a knife to separate the flan from the pan. Place your serving plate upside down over the pan and with one movement flip it over. Remove the pan and watch the delicious caramel flow down. Now you're ready to serve some amazing, delicious flan. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification button so you know when the next video is. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to do so, and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a fantastic time making flan, and I hope you did as well. If you recreate the flan or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. Hope everyone is staying safe and well. Enjoy your flan and feliz Cinco de Mayo. Adios!